Let's make some honey Old Bay chicken wings, y'all. They smell good and taste even better. You can fry these and put these in the oven, but for this video, we're gonna air fry them. Of course, doing a more healthier option. First off, let's start with our seasoning. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of Old Bay, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. You want to make sure that you spread these around evenly because you want to taste the seasoning in every bite. I promise you, these are some really great tasting wings. I love them. Next up, we're going to put them in the air fryer at 380 degrees for 25 minutes. Halfway through, of course, we're going to flip them. And this is how they turned out. Really, and look at this, y'all. Look. Ooh. Hey, look at those, y'all. Look. Next up is our sauce. We're going to use a ½ cup of honey, and we're going to make sure that our temperature that we are searing this on is going to be medium temperature. When it comes to sauces, you can use any kind of hot sauce of your choosing. I always use Louisiana wing sauce. I love it. It's hot. You can find this at any kind of Walmart or grocery store. I highly recommend it. Next up, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of Old Bay. Of course, we got to add more seasoning to that. We're going to start mixing these together. A word of advice, be sure to let your pot or pan cool before pouring the sauce on the wings and mixing them. I was a dummy, and as you can see, the steam is rising up. I was kind of at a blonde moment, and I instantly started to mix them, and I burnt my hand a little bit. I burnt my hand. That really did hurt. So don't be a dummy like me, mix them. And there you have it, y'all. Honey Old Bay chicken wings. These are great for any type of party or special event, work related, or it's an event around your family. Me and my wife, we enjoyed them. They smell great and they taste amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.